rainy season for some may be a welcome relief, but for those unfortunate souls, rainy season is always a season of danger. With the help of the government agencies, those who live in precarious sites shall be assisted by either relocation or by reconstructing a more sturdy house. Here's a story from Yana Dormitorio.
Every rainy season, worries are evident to people, especially to those living beside the waterways like Rosemary's family. That is why she viewed being one of the beneficiaries of the 10 houses now under construction in Payatas, Quezon City a blessing.
Lagi po kaming binabaha every year, rainy season na. Yung mga bata nga po, may trauma na sila kapag 30 minutes ng tuloy-tuloy yung ulan. So, umiiyak na sila. So, ikaw bilang isang nanay, parang helpless na yung feeling.
This is a program wherein 4 out of 10 families living in squatters area are given an opportunity to have their own home.
Ang advokasya ng Habitat for Humanity Philippines at ang iba't ibang sektor na tumutulong at nagtutulong-tulong ay upang maibsan ang ating katatayuan sa tinatawag nating poverty housing.
Aside from that, the Habitat for Humanity, U.S. and Canada volunteers and the Quezon City local government aim to grapple with the lack of houses in the country. This is also a way of private sectors to show their gratitude as they were deeply welcomed by Filipinos every time they come visit the Philippines.
But most of all, we've enjoyed the people that live here and enjoyed giving to them and giving back to this community and helping them to rebuild their lives and helping the country of Philippines to rebuild itself at this time.
This is Yana Dormitorio for News at 1 Junior Edition.